A carbide burr tool is an essential instrument in tool and die repair because it allows skilled technicians to restore worn, chipped, or damaged tooling by precisely removing defects and reshaping critical surfaces back to their original specifications. Tooling and dies used in manufacturing are subjected to extreme pressure, friction, and repeated cycles, which over time can lead to wear, galling, cracking, or deformation of the working surfaces. A carbide burr tool mounted on a high-speed die grinder provides controlled, aggressive cutting capability that makes it possible to selectively remove damaged material without compromising the overall geometry of the tool. Because carbide is extremely hard and wear-resistant, it remains effective even when working on hardened tool steels commonly used in dies, molds, punches, and forming tools. In tool and die repair, a carbide burr tool is especially valuable for restoring functional geometry in critical areas such as cutting edges, forming cavities, and alignment surfaces. When a die becomes worn or chipped, it can produce defective parts or cause improper forming during production. The carbide burr tool allows the technician to carefully grind away damaged sections, blend transitions, and reestablish smooth, accurate contours that are necessary for proper operation. This level of precision is crucial because even minor deviations in surface geometry can affect part quality, tolerances, and repeatability in high-volume manufacturing environments. The tool's ability to access tight corners and intricate shapes also makes it ideal for repairing complex tooling designs that cannot be restored with larger machining equipment. A carbide burr tool also plays a key role in extending the service life of expensive tooling and dies by enabling localized repairs rather than full replacement. Instead of scrapping a damaged die or mold, technicians can use carbide burrs to remove stress cracks. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.